What's up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. That's right, Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Anna of Greeley, Colorado. We had hail damage and we were told to replace siding from the back of the house to the side of the house. The siding was blown off and I had to screw it to the side of the house from keeping it from being blown away. Then they suggested I have it pulled off and reapplied. The neighbor had a new roof and siding. My adjuster said I had no hail damage. I don't get it. I don't get, like, what are these guys looking at? Are they new adjusters? Are they like 2 weeks in the field adjusters? Are they just not wanting to pay the claim? Have they hit their threshold and their authority level? All sorts of different stuff I could tell you about, but this is the deal. When you have an adjuster that is not treating you fairly, you need someone to help you fight the insurance companies. Because guess what that adjuster does every single day? Works on insurance claims. Guess what you do every day? You go to your job, which I'm assuming is probably not insurance claims every day, right? So you go to your job, you do your thing. If the adjuster tried to do your job, they probably couldn't do it very well. When you try to do the adjuster's job, you probably aren't gonna do it very well. But when you hire us, we are public insurance adjusters, public adjusters. Guess what we do? We adjust claims. We adjust multi-million-dollar claims, right? We understand the process. We know what's going on. We know what to say to the insurance company when they tell us one thing. We know the right levers to pull, the right buttons to push, and make sure that our clients are getting the best and most fair shake at a properly paid, fully paid, timely paid insurance claim. So, when you have a property insurance claim that you're not being treated fairly by the insurance adjuster, insurance company, or any of their representatives, including engineers or whoever else it might be, they call them vendors, whatever they might be, if you're not getting what is truly supposed to be paid on your insurance claim, contact us today. bellatorclaims.com. My name is Taylor. I'm with Bellator Claims Resolution. We resolve insurance claims. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.